Shradha's FabLab. In this video, I will show you how to make a paper umbrella. For that, we need a glue stick and two papers. If you don't have the colored paper, you can just take a paper and color it. And some cottons and a toothpick and a scissor and a pencil and a vessel, shape vessel. Now we have to make a semicircle with this paper. Now make a semicircle with any circle vessel. Make 6 semicircles and it should be in same size and then cut it. It. We have 6 folded semicircles. See? Now fold it again. Make it into a triangle pizza shape. Do it to all of them. Make sure all of the triangle have to be in same size. Now stick it. Now take each paper and stick this part. I have fixed the center part of the paper. Now put your fingers to open the paper. Now stick these papers like this with gum. Now put some gum in the paper. Now stick these each colors like this. See, all the paper are stick together. Leave one part because we have to stick the toothpick like this. Now wind the thread with the toothpick. Now stick the toothpick with the gum. Now join it. See, our umbrella is ready. Now we can make a cloud for the umbrella. For that we need a paper cutting, cloud and some cotton and the glue. Now spread the glue everywhere. Now stick these curtains. See, our cloud is done. Now turn it into the back side of the cloud and fix this umbrella to the cloud like this.